Hey kids, welcome to our channel आओ कुछ नया सीखते हैं. Today I will tell you how to write A to Z on English lines. These are the English lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 lines in our English copy. Okay. See, these are the pink lines and these are the blue lines. So when we write uppercase letters, we have to use these 3 lines. Here is the heading, that is A to Z. Okay, so I will start writing from this line. Okay, see how I will write. So we have to make 2 slanting lines like this and merge it with the sleeping line. Okay, it is A, then a standing line over here with 2 curves. We will complete B like this. Now here we have to write C with a curved line. What I am doing, I am touching the pink line and here I am touching the blue line. So whenever you have to write, you have to touch the pink line and blue line. This you have to mention always and you have to remember it every time while writing. So when we have to write D, what we have to make one straight line or standing line and join it with the curved line like this. It is D. A, B, C, D, and here is the turn to write E. So one standing line, one sleeping line, another sleeping line and one more sleeping line. There are 3 lines while writing E. A, B, C, D, E. Now we have to write the next letter, that is F. Okay. 2 lines are there in F and 3 sleeping lines in E. This you have to remember. Now it is turn to write G. So from pink line, we have to turn a curve. Okay, we have to make C. Then go up like this. Get in. Come back again. Here. It is G. Now we have to write H. 2 standing line and 1 sleeping line. Our H is complete. Now it is turn to write I with 1 sleeping line, 1 standing line and another sleeping line. Our I is complete. Then the turn to write J. 1 sleeping line, 1 standing line which curve and join this blue line. It is J. Okay. Now this is the time to write K. 1 standing line here. Now from the middle means first blue line, we have to draw these 2 slanting lines like this. Our K is complete. Now the turn is to write L with 1 standing line and a sleeping line in the lower blue line. Our L is complete. Now we have to write what? We have to write M. For that, draw 1 standing line, another standing line and put a dot over here. Merge it with 2 slanting lines. Our M is complete. Now we have to write N with 2 standing line and 1 slanting line which is slant between this line to another standing line like this, N. Now the time to write O. Okay. From the pink line, put a dot, turn it, join the blue line, come up again and join the same line. Okay, it is O. Now the time to write P. Here we go. 1 standing line, turn it and join here. It is P. Now the time to write Q. Make O, okay, and take out one line by curving it over here. It is Q. Now the time to write R. One standing line, put a curve and one slant from here. It is R. Now we have to write S. See, I am turning a curve like this. It is made of a curving line, S. Now the time to write T. So here we go. One sleeping line and one standing line. So I don't have lines over there. I have to draw some lines. So for the next alphabet, turn it like this. It is U. Now time to write V. One slanting line, another slanting line, join to the point becomes V. Now the time to write W. One standing line, another standing line, put a dot, join it here and from here it is W. Now the time to write X. Okay, with two slanting line, let's complete X. Okay, now the time to write Y. Yes, one slanting line and another slanting line to the upper blue line becomes Y. Now we have to write Z. Did you remember how to write? One sleeping line, another sleeping line and join it from the edge. It is Z. Now let's read it aloud. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. I hope you remember their phonic sound too, which we have discussed earlier. So, you have to write the same alphabets in your copy. Thank you.